Denise Richards is feeling betrayed following her split from Aaron Phypers, a source revealed. As reported by OK, Phypers filed for divorce from the Wild Things actress on July 7, citing irreconcilable differences, with a separation date listed as July 4. He is seeking spousal support and specific personal items. While Richards has not yet issued an official statement, insiders say she was surprised by the divorce filing and does not fully understand it, especially since they were socializing with friends just before he initiated the proceedings. She never in a million years wanted to get another divorce, and she never in a million years thought he would do this to her, the insider disclosed, describing it as a betrayal, as Phypers had previously promised not to divorce. They emphasized that Richards had repeatedly made it clear to him that they could work through anything, asserting that divorce was never an option. He agreed, the source continued. Then did this? There's more questions than answers right now. Richards reportedly finds Phypers' request for spousal support to fund his extravagant lifestyle, claimed to cost over $105,000 per month, egregious, given her support of him for many years. She thought he was different, but turns out he's what people warned her about. In his court filing, Phypers outlined his substantial monthly expenses, including $18,000 on rent, $5,000 on repairs, $7,000 on childcare, $15,000 on dining out, $8,000 on utilities, $20,000 on clothing, $5,000 on laundry, $15,000 on entertainment, and additional bills for auto and cell phone services. Meanwhile, Phypers is embroiled in a lawsuit defending and fraud allegations. In light of the divorce, Charlie Sheen's ex, Brett Rossi, speculated that Richards might rekindle her relationship with Sheen, whom she may still see as the love of her life. Rossi reflected on Richards' past commitment to Sheen, suggesting that the depth of their history may reignite their connection now that Richards' relationship with Phypers has ended.